In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize customer support with automation and why it's a game changer for your business. If you're tired of the same old generic support replies and want to give your customers an experience that feels unique and personal, stick around because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to make that happen using automation. First off, let's talk about why personalization is important. Customers expect more than just transactional interactions. They want to feel like their needs are understood and addressed quickly. Automation is the key to scaling personalized support without burning out your team. The trick is to use automation not just for responses, but to make those responses feel personal and tailored to the individual customer's journey. Now, let's dive into how you can do this. The first thing you'll need is software that's built to integrate automation with personalization. I've tried a number of popular tools, but I'm going to show you one that stands out because it truly allows you to deliver tailored support while cutting down on response time. Once you've set up your software, the next step is setting up automated workflows. This is where the magic happens. You can set triggers based on customer actions, like if a customer opens a ticket or visits your pricing page, and tailor the support they get based on that action. For example, if someone is asking about pricing, you can automatically send them an email with personalized information about their specific interest. Or if someone's been inactive for a while, an automated message can offer them help, keeping them engaged. The next piece of the puzzle is customer data. With the right software, you can access data about your customers, like their previous purchases, browsing history, and past interactions, to create a profile of each person. When you're automating responses, you can use that data to add context and offer more relevant help. This way, your customers don't feel like they're just another ticket number. They feel like you know them and you care about their specific needs. Another great feature of the software we'll be using is the ability to set up personalized automated follow-ups. For example, after resolving a customer's issue, an automated message can be sent, asking if they're satisfied with the solution or offering further assistance based on their past interactions. This not only makes your customers feel valued, but helps you maintain relationships in the long run. A powerful automation tool also allows you to scale. As your business grows, keeping up with customer support manually becomes impossible. But with automation, you can handle a large volume of tickets without sacrificing the personal touch that makes customers feel special. And here's an open loop for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a secret about how you can easily set up one of these automated workflows in just a few clicks, even if you've never used automation before. So, how can you start personalizing customer support with automation right now? First, pick the right software. Once you have that in place, set up triggers based on customer actions. Use the data to create personalized experiences for each customer and automate follow-ups to keep the relationship going. This approach will save your team time while creating meaningful connections with your customers. Key takeaway. The key to personalizing customer support with automation is using data and automation together. It's not just about sending messages, it's about making your customers feel understood and valued, even when the process is automated. Automation allows you to scale personalized service, saving your team time while improving the customer experience. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video. It's linked in the description below. You can follow along and start automating your customer support today with no strings attached. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.